Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Dominion for real. Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to add Sidra chain to your Metamask wallet. Yes, so please, if you have any wallet you bought your Sidra to, you have to import that wallet into your Metamask. Okay, so in this video I'm just going to guide you on how to add your Sidra chain, the URL to your Metamask wallet. Okay, first of all you need to do, you come over to this place, so just tap on it. After tapping on it, you come over to this custom, click on the custom, then you click on add custom network. So after clicking on add custom network, we just come to this place, network name. So we just gonna select Sidra, then chain, Sidra chain. Then you come over to the next box here, the URL, tap on it. I'm also going to drop the URL in the comment section of this video. So you click on add, so you paste it here, and then .com, or you put slash. Okay, so you come over to this place that says add RPC URL. Okay, so we're gonna leave this one first, so click on add. Okay, so the chain ID is 97453. All right, so okay, the chain ID is 97453. Then you come over to this place that says symbol. The symbol is SDA. Then you come over to the chain explorer. This is the suggested name. Okay, think is correct. All right, it's correct. So then let's go get the, okay, so we're just going to paste the explorer here. You add the explorer, paste it here, you click on add explorer, then you click on save. Remember to add the symbol and the name, so you click on save. Okay, it has been saved. Sidra chain was successfully added. You can see it. So that is how you add your Sidra to your Metamask. So in the next video I'm going to show you how to connect your Metamask, or how to link your Sidra app to your Metamask. Okay, so if today is your first day of coming across to this channel, do well to subscribe, turn on the bell notification, like, share this video, and comment in the comment section. And I'm also going to drop the URL and the chain explorer, the ID, everything in the comment section of this video. All right, thank you and stay safe.